In this video, I'm going to detail some scenarios of the use of the Azure Data Share and how it works and what is the architecture of this resource. Stay with me in this video. I'm going to detail all of these concepts.
Azure Data Share can be used in a number of different industries. For example, a retailer may want to share recent point of sales data with their supplier. Using Azure Data Share, a retailer can set up an Azure Share container, a point of sales data for all their suppliers and share sales on an hourly or daily basis. Azure Data Share can also be used to establish a data marketplace for a specific industry, for example, a government or research institution that share anonymized data about population growth with the third party. Another use case for Azure Data Share is establishing a data consortium. For example, a number of different research institutions can share data with a single trust body. Data is analyzed, aggregated, or processed using Azure Analytics, and they're shared with interested parties. Azure Data Share currently offers snapshot-based sharing and in-place sharing. In snapshot-based sharing, data moves from the data provider's Azure subscription and lands in the data customers. Azure subscription, as a data provider, you provision a data share and invite reception to data share. Data customer receive an invitation to your data share via mail. Once a data share accepts the invitation, they can trigger a full snapshot of the data share with them. This data is received into the data customer storage account. Data customer can receive regular incremental update for the data share with them, so they always have the latest version of the data. So the data provider can offer their data customer an incremental update to the data share with them through a snapshot scheduler. A snapshot scheduler are offered on hourly or a daily basis. When a data customer accepts and configure their data share, they can describe to a snapshot scheduler. This is beneficial in a scenario where a shared data is updated on a regular basis, and the data customer needs the most up-to-date of data. When a data customer accepts a data share, they are able to receive the data in Azure's data storage of their choice. For example, if the data provider shares data using Azure Blob Storage, the data customer can receive the data in Azure Data Lake Storage. Similarly, if the data provider shares the data from the Azure Synapse Analytics, the data customer can choose whatever they want to receive the data into Azure Data Lake Storage. An Azure SQL database or an Azure Synapse Analytics. In the case of sharing from SQL-based source, the data customer can also choose whatever they receive the data in a Parquet or CSV. Within place sharing, data providers can share data where it resists without copying data after sharing relationship is established. Through the invitation follow, a symbolic link is created between the data provider's source, data store, and the data customer. Data customer can read and query the data in real time using its own data store. Change to the source data store is available to the data customer immediately. In-place sharing is currently available for Azure Data Explorer.